Hi, I'm Barbara Bythell. I'm a librarian here at MATC. We're in the Legal Research Center, and we're going to talk about legal research in action.
Hi, I'm Kornblum. I'm an attorney and an instructor at MATC in the paralegal department, and we are going to continue our series of legal research in action. Today's topic is secondary sources in action. I'm here in the Wisconsin section, and we have a number of secondary sources. We have a Nichols Encyclopedia of Legal Forms, which has a general index that you can look things up in. It will lead you to the various forms in the general index. We also have way on the bottom Wisconsin pleading and practice forms, which also will have different forms that are for actual practice. Going up, we have the Wisconsin jury instructions. These are not maintained in terms of their currency, but they give you a general idea of how a court would instruct a jury. Here we have another set of Wisconsin jury instructions, which are just for civil juries. We have Bender's forms of discovery. When you get into civil procedure and civil litigation, you might want to consult these because they have specific kinds of discovery forms for doing interrogatories, discovering medical information, appellate review, and other things that you might want to use. One of the major secondary sources that you'll often see cited is something called ALR, which stands for American Law Reports. And this is a really good source because it gives you, it's like an encyclopedia, and it gives you information about particular topics. ALR has, like all sources, an index, and you can look things up in the index, just as we did for Wisconsin cases. We have a set of volumes. This is actually a partial set for demonstration purposes. And here it is Corpus, Juris, Secundum, which is abbreviated as CJS. This is a legal encyclopedia, and you would have to look things up in the index. So, for example, if I pulled out the volume about bankruptcy, it would give me information about bankruptcy. However, keep in mind that this is for show only. These volumes are not updated. The very source that we're going to look at is AmJur, which is American Jurisprudence, which is another legal resource. It is an encyclopedia and continues around the corner. This is, again, not updated. The general index volumes were last updated in 2003, so you cannot rely on it. However, it is it's a good way to just get to know what the encyclopedias are about.
This ends our discussion of secondary sources.
Okay, we'll see you next time.